Hello everyone. Today we are watching about most important question, basic mechanical engineering RGPV. Your examination is 28 July, so you have to do only that question. You can get 50 plus marks easily only in these questions. I will tell you in every unit's question, so you have to watch till end. So first question, first unit is first unit most important question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First question is classification of engineering material. Second question is cast iron. Third question is mechanical property, strength, hardness, ductility, toughness, and more properties you have to do. And Fourth question is stress strain diagram of cast iron, and fifth question is Hooke's law, modulus of electricity, and hardness testing, impact testing. Now we see unit 2. In unit 2 you have to do first question lathe machine, second question is drilling machine, third question is what is the casting and pattern. Fourth question is slip gauge, sine bar. Fifth question is dynamometer, micrometer, vernier caliper, dual gauge. Okay, and unit 3 most important question. You have to do fluid property, density, specific volume, specific gravity, viscosity. एंड डिफरेंस करना है आपको सम डिफरेंस डायनामिक विस्कोसिटी काइनेमेटिक विस्कोसिटी सेकेंड डिफरेंस इज लेमिनार एंड टरबाइन थर्ड डिफरेंस इज रियल एंड आइडियल फ्लूइड फोर्थ डिफरेंस इज न्यूटन एंड नॉन न्यूटन फ्लूइड and you have to after that third question Bernoulli's equation definition derivation limitation. This is the most important question of unit 3. You have to fourth question Newton's law of viscosity. Fifth question is centrifugal pump. Sixth question is all turbines. How many type of turbines you have to do all type of turbines. So unit 4 you have to do explain thermodynamic system. Second is zero. First second law of thermodynamics. Third is explain fire tube, water tube, boiler, and also difference. First and second most important questions. Classification of boiler and explain Babcock's and Wilcox boiler. Mounting and accessories of boiler, and dryness, enthalpy, and entropy. Some definitions you have to do. And we see unit 5. In unit 5 top most important questions is steam engine, IC engine, explain करना है with diagram, neat and clean diagram, and difference steam engine and IC engine. Auto cycle, diesel cycle, explain and definite difference. Carnot cycle, dual cycle. ठीक है. And last question is 4-stroke, 2-stroke petrol engine. And if you do that question you can get passing 50 plus marks easily. If you want to passing marks only 30 marks yeah 25 plus marks, so you have to do only in unit first classification of engineering materials, mechanical properties. Only two questions if you want to get passing marks in unit 2 and unit 1 and unit 2. In unit 2 you have to do lathe machine, and only lathe machine if you will do sufficient, and you have to do slip gauge, sine bar. Only two question is sufficient for unit 2. And unit 3 you have to do fluid property. It is most important. Some defense, it is also important, and Bernoulli's equation is most important question. You have to do that questions if you want to get passing marks, and that question you have to do. So unit 3 is a very big and most important question. And now we watch Unit 4, most important question is zero on first and second law of thermodynamics. Okay, and after that you have to do classification of boiler and explain Babcock's and Wilcox boiler. This is only on Unit 4 and most important questions. Only two questions. If you have a time, so you can do explain thermodynamics system. And last unit is Unit 5. Most important question is steam engine, IC engine first, and you can do last engine. It is most important question. 4-stroke and 2-stroke petrol engine. 4-stroke 2-stroke petrol engine is explain and difference. Also steam engine, IC engine explain difference with neat and clean diagram. If you do that question, so you can get passing marks easily. So take a screenshot. Unit 5, Unit 4, and Unit 2, screenshot. Unit 3 and Unit 1. Only you have to do only that question. You can get, if you do whole question, you can easily 50 plus marks in basic mechanical engineering. Thank you.